Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, today in this video we will learn how we can install BlueStacks on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So let's get started. So open any of your favorite browser and at the very top we just need to type BlueStacks. And once you type it, hit enter and you'll find BlueStacks.com. So make sure you visit the same website, https www.bluestacks.com. So currently we have the latest version of BlueStacks, so which is BlueStacks 5. So I'll just click on that, and here I get this option, BlueStacks Play Bigger, and here we can simply click on download BlueStack. So BlueStack 5 is actually way better than BlueStack 4. It is 50% faster, 50% uses less RAM, and trusted by 500 million gamers. So I'll click on download BlueStack and a very small file will be downloaded. So you can press Ctrl J to see the downloads and open a very small file. So once you click on that file, it will ask you to say yes. Since BlueStack 5 is already installed in my computer, so it's asking me to launch it. So in your computer you will be getting install option. So you just need to click on install, and once you install it, I'll tell you what exactly you need to do, what changes, what settings you need to make in the BlueStacks 5 so that it runs smoother and better. So I'll just launch it. Now here at the very top, we just need to click on this menu and then we need to click on settings. So if your BlueStacks is not responding, or if you have any issues, just to make it running smoother, I'll tell you some settings which you need to check. So here CPU allocation is medium, so you can select to high cores, and memory allocation you can increase like medium, low or high. You can do that, and performance mode should be on high performance, and frame rate you can increase or decrease. That is up to you. Now in the display section, lower the display, higher the performance. So currently it's recommending me to select this 1920 by 1080. So you can select the lower resolution. Whatever has been recommended, you can select that. But if you see if it's lagging, then you can simply lower down the resolution. Now same with pixel density. I would not recommend you to change anything, and go to graphics, and here we have compatibility and performance. So by default performance is selected, no need to change. And in graphics renderer you can select OpenGL, and if you have issues you can select DirectX. Once you do that, you just need to click on save changes, and here you have Play Store, Game Center. So you can click on Play Store and sign in, and you can install. And you also have system apps. So if you want to use any system apps, you can use it from here, from this BlueStack emulator. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this very small video. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.